Contentment and humility is a mark of great saints. Let's listen to an interesting tale between a great devotee of Lord Vitthal, Sant Tukaram, and Shivaji Maharaj. Have you perhaps come to the wrong house? I am not worthy of such honor. We have not come by mistake. We have indeed come in your service. My service? I belong to a poor and humble family. It is we who should serve Lord Vitthal, brother. We have heard that you are a supreme devotee of the Lord of the universe. Maharaj Chhatrapati Shivaji has sent these elephants, palanquins, horses and attendants to welcome you. Please be gracious enough to accompany us. Bhakt Tukaram smiled and said, Brother, if I truly must go somewhere, God has already given me a pair of feet to walk with. Then why is there any need for such display and grandeur? The villagers found an opportunity to mock Tukaramji. Look, Tuka Bhagat will now abandon devotion and sit in the royal court. Saint Tukaram humbly replied, Please convey my message to Chhatrapati, that he always has my blessings. Kindly do not draw me away from the service of my Vitthal Bhagwan. I am content exactly where and how I am. This little hut is my royal palace, and this small temple is the royal court of my Lord. Do not awaken desires for the worldly luxuries and divert me from the path of devotion. May my Vithoba always bless him. The gathered villagers laughed again. What a foolish man this Tuka Bhagat is. He rejects royal luxury standing before him and pushes away Lakshmi herself. When Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj heard about Tukaram's unwavering selflessness, he became eager to meet such a true saint and personally went to see him. The people of Dehu village were astonished. The arrival of Chhatrapati Maharaj in such a small village filled the atmosphere with cries of victory. Victory to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The moment Shivaji saw Tukaram, he bowed at his feet. Tukaram immediately lifted him and lovingly embraced him, saying, Maharaj, a king is regarded as the very form of God. You are worthy of worship. Shivaji replied, Today, having received the darshan of a saint like you, my life has been blessed. I pray that you accept this humble service from me. The king placed a bag filled with gold coins at Tukaram's feet. Tukaram said, What are you doing, Maharaj? Why do you entangle me in this illusion that obstructs devotion? I do not desire wealth. Whatever I need comes effortlessly through the grace of my Lord Vitthal. When I feel hungry, I beg for food. I cover my body with the discarded rags found on the road. I sleep peacefully wherever I can. Then what lack do I truly have? In the service of my Vithoba, I experience the highest joy and fulfillment. Maharaj, please take this wealth bag. May the Lord bless you. Shivaji was left astonished and he said, Blessed indeed is this crown jewel amongst devotees. Never have I witnessed such incomparable selflessness and fearlessness. My respectful salutations to you. Understanding through direct experience that wealth is equal to dust, Shivaji placed the dust of this extraordinary saint's feet upon his head, offered his reverence and returned. Meanwhile, Bhakt Tukaram prayed to the Lord with folded hands. O my Lord, never again show me such worldly illusion.